Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable judge and all amazing storytellers. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aura Septi Rahayu, or you can call me Aura. I'm from MTSN Kebumen, and I'm going to tell you a famous folktale from Indonesia. It's called Toba Lake. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer whose name was Toba. He lived alone in a hut by small fires. One day, he wanted to catch some fish, so he went to a river and fished there. He was very surprised when he got a big fish. The fish was as big as a human being. He went home and put the fish in his kitchen. He planned to cook the fish. Then, as he walked in his bedroom, he was very shocked. There stood in his living room a very beautiful girl. For a moment, Toba was speechless. Who are you? Why are you suddenly in here, in my house? Pardon me for surprising you, Mr. Toba, but you took me here. I was the fish now that became a human being again. I would like to thank you, and I will be your servant to express my gratefulness. Toba immediately rushed into his kitchen, but the fish has nowhere to be seen. He saw some gold coins instead. Whose coins are these? Those coins are mine. As I change into a human being, my skills change into gold coins. Okay, you can live here and work for me. Since that day, the beautiful girl lived in Toba's house. And not long after, Toba fell in love with the beautiful girl, and after that, they got married. The girl married with Toba on one condition, that he will never tell anybody about her past. Toba agreed on the condition. Time flies. Several months later, Toba's wife delivered a baby boy. Toba named him Samosir. Unfortunately, Samosir was a lazy boy. When his father worked hard in his rice field, Samosir just slept, and slept. When he was awake, he talked a lot and ate a lot. Toba was very disappointed. He hoped that one day Samosir will be a diligent boy. Day in and day out, but Samosir never changed. That one day, when his mother forced him to bring food to his father at the farm, so she could do a household work. Sam, wake up! Go bring this food to your father at the farm. He must be very tired and hungry now. Wake up, Sam. I don't want to go, Mom. I'm so lazy. No excuse, Sam. Go bring this food to your father. He must be very hungry. Go now, go. Samosir went to the farm, but he didn't immediately go to the farm. He stopped somewhere in the street to eat the food. Yum yum! It was already late afternoon. When he got to the farm, his father was so angry as he realized his son has eaten his food. He said sarcastically, "You are such a stupid, lazy boy. No wonder you are the son of a fish." "Mama, is a fish? Is it really, father?" Samosir was deeply hurt. He went home and told his mother about all his father's words. Samosir's mom was shocked. She was also deeply hurt. "Oh, Toba, you break your promise. I can't live with you here anymore. Now you have to face the consequence of what you did." Sam now go to the hill, find the tall tree and climb it. "Why, Mom? I'm scared. What's going to happen?" "Mom, don't go." "Just do it, Sam. Do not ever ask any question. Go now, go." Sunday, suddenly turned to cloudy day. Not long after the rain poured heavily, and suddenly the thunder came. The rain poured heavily for several days. The area was flooded. The area became a big lake called Toba Lake. In the middle of the lake, there was an island called Samosir Island. Meanwhile, Toba's wife disappeared. Until now, people in Sumatra believe that the lake was the whole body of Mr. Toba and the island was the whole body of Samosir. And the moral value of this story is, number 1, if you have a promise, do not ever break it. Number 2, we must be patient to all conditions. And number 3, we must be forgiving people. That's all the story of Toba Lake. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.